Are you tired of losing your balance on Deriv because of one bad tick or moment of hesitation? Manual trading is a mental battle, and most traders lose because of emotion, not lack of knowledge. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you the ultimate solution for consistent results, PivotCore.net. This is a cutting-edge auto trading platform built specifically for the Deriv community. PivotCore bridges the gap between high-level strategy and effortless execution. If you've ever wanted to trade with the precision of a machine and the discipline of a professional, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're moving away from manual stress and stepping into the world of automated profits. In this session, we're focusing on one of the most consistent ways to grow an account, the digit differs strategy. The logic is simple. We are betting that the next tick will not be a specific number. While this sounds easy, doing it manually is dangerous because the market moves faster than you can click. That's why we use PivotCore. My plan for this 7-minute session is a disciplined 10-trade sequence with a clear target of 9 out of 10 wins. By using the automation on PivotCore.net, I can set my last digit prediction and let the bot analyze the tick patterns for me. It only enters when the probability is at its highest, giving us a massive statistical advantage. Watch the screen as the bot starts the sequence. Notice the speed of the execution. This is something you simply cannot do by hand. PivotCore connects directly to your Deriv account, ensuring that the moment the algorithm detects a safe entry, the trade is placed. This is about working smarter, not harder. You can see how the platform manages the risk. We aren't just gambling. We've set specific parameters to ensure that even if the market shifts, our capital is protected. This level of control is why PivotCore is becoming the go-to tool for serious synthetic index traders. No more panic, no more greed, just pure, calculated automation. As we move through our 10 trades, look at the consistency of the results. Trade after trade, we are hitting our target. This isn't luck, it's the result of using a proven algorithm on a reliable platform. We are already approaching our 9-win goal. This is the beauty of the differs strategy when paired with PivotCore.net. It allows you to build your balance steadily and safely. If you've struggled with the over-under or rise-fall volatility, the differs strategy on this platform offers a much smoother experience. The rows of green results we are seeing right now are proof that automation is the future of Deriv trading. We've just hit our goal, 9 wins out of 10 trades, exactly as planned. The total profit is there, and more importantly, the stress was zero. PivotCore.net makes professional-grade trading accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or a veteran. Why continue to risk your money on manual errors when you can let a system like this handle the heavy lifting? It's time to upgrade your trading game. Head over to PivotCore.net right now, connect your account, and start your own automated journey. Check the link in the description, join our community, and let's start winning together. Don't just trade, trade with the power of PivotCore.